welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to program the user sign-up process for our eShop project. We will cover form handling, input validations, Ajax communication, and database insertion. By the end of this video, you will understand how data flows from the form through JavaScript to PHP and finally into our MySQL database. So as you can see, this is my final working sign up page. I will quickly show you how to test this. So this is the first name and this is the last name, so I will give test and example. For the email, I would give test example 1 2 3 4 5, and the mobile number would be this one. And then after I click on the sign up button, you can see that it shows a success message because all the validation have passed, and I will show you how this have been updated in our database. So if I refresh the database in SCQF, you can see that here's the new user record that just got added. So let's dive in how to make this sign up process design. Let's get started with the sign up form inside index.php. Here we have input fields for first name, last name, email, password, mobile, and gender. Each field has an ID, so JavaScript can grab their values later. So we also have given a message box inside our div with the ID message div over here. So by default it's hidden, but later we will use it to show validation messages or success alerts dynamically. Finally, the sign up button calls the JavaScript function sign up when clicked. So you can see when I click, see that when I click, it have the on click sign up function that I have given in the script.js. So now let's move to the script.js. The sign up function collects all the inputs using document.getElementById. Then we create a form data object that is f equals new form data. This, and then after that you will have f.append. In brackets you have the f name, you will get the initial one like f, then comma f name dot value, and like this it goes on to the gender value until the gender value, and then this bundles all the users data in key value pairs. So next we will use XML HTTP request, and to send this data to signupprocess.php with a post request. And when the server responds, we check if the response text is success, as you can see here. And then this message, if yes, it's we display a green success message, otherwise we display the error returned by PHP in red. So I will show you how this works. Like here, like if I give a wrong in like invalid email, it shows you that. Then if I have added the valid data, it also shows that user already exits, use another email. So I will just give 01 and then sign up, and it says register successful as the email have changed. So let's move on to the most important part of our sign up. So let's go through them step by step, and as you can see, the first name would be must not be empty and must be under 50 characters, and the last name would be same rules as the first name, like must not be empty and must be under 50 characters. Email would be must be not empty and also should be under 50 characters and also must follow a proper email format. We will check this with the filter validate email. Next we have our password, where it says that it must be between 5 and 15 characters. So the mobile would be must contain digits and must match the Sri Lankan mobile format using preg-match. This is the preg-match that I have used. So I will explain what this preg-match is. This means it must start with 0, 7. The next digit must be from 0 to 8, and then it must be followed by 7 more digits. If validation fails, we echo an error message, but if all checks pass, okay, now let's test this all. Here you can see that if I give a wrong, so if you can see, I will change all of these and test it one by one. So the first name, for the first name I will just give I will not give the full one, I just give like this. So it says, you can see it's give please enter your first name. Then after I have given the data, I will go to the last name and just click sign up, and then it says please enter your last name. So I will give the last name, and for the email, on purposefully I will just remove the format that I have given and check in within how the alert comes. It says invalid email format, and after I have given the fully known one, I will just give and for the password too, I will not enter it, and it says please enter your password. So I will just randomly give so much characters, like it says from 5 to 15, right? So I will just give more than that and check whether it validates. So the password, it says the password must contain 5 to 15 characters, and then I will now just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and check if it's add up. Yeah, it's correct. And then for the mobile, I will just give a random one. For this I would change that it says I will add 079 or like that, or I will give more characters for that one, and then sign up, and it says the mobile number must contain 10 digits, and then after that I will just give so after that I have added 079. So let's check if this adds up. So it says that invalid mobile number format. So I will change this into 1, and it shows that the register is successful. So now I have shown you how the validation works. Let's move on to the database insertion. So as you can see, once the data is valid, we check if the email is already existing in the database using our select query. If the email is unique, we generate a timestamp for the join date and insert the new user. So here I have given add my new user into the for a new user, and this says that after that we will echo a success which gets sent back to the JavaScript. So after that closes all the full loop form, JS, PHP database that responds and the message on the screen. So I'll show you a demo how this works. Let's add a new one, like let's just refresh this and give a new username as wait a minute. So over here I will give Mary Smith and the email would be Mary at 04 no Mary 04 at gmail.com, and the password also would be let's give 78652, and the mobile number would be let's give 072 double 5 1 2 4 2 3, and the gender would be female. And after I insert all the data, I will click on the sign up button and it shows register is successful. And after we go to the database and refresh it, you can see that all the user details that I've added have been added to the database successfully. So let's move on to our connection.php and how the database works. Here you can see that I have given a connection.php file. Here all of these is powered by connection.php. I created a database class with two methods, IUD, that means insert, update, and delete, and the search for select queries. and this keeps our code reusable and clean. I built the database by designing an ER diagram, then forward engineering it to my MySQL using Heidi SQL. Here's my ER diagram that I have used for the eShop, but this is the full one. But you can see that all the user details have been added. So whenever a new user signs up, the data is validated, and if everything is fine, it's inserted into the user table. And the user details, as you can see, I have given the email as the primary key and the F name as Vacha, L name, that means last name, password, then mobile, then the join date, and the verification code. And the gender has been also added to this as a relationship of one to many. So now, as this has been concluded, we have successfully created a programmed user sign up process with HTML form setup, AJAX request in JavaScript, validation logic in PHP, data insertion through MySQL. So this ensures our application accepts only clean, valid and unique data from users. In the next video, we can move on how to program the sign-in process with session handling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you.